I'm still a student. Like, I'm like, oh, that's why. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so much stuff I want to do and stuff.
Awesome. YouTube, man. YouTube.
How do you do- how to do this? How to
You
do
got the
that?
dedication of life to.
That's for real.
I had really had worked so much. I had got the bricks.
For real.
I was working too much.
But that's how you get things like this.
Yeah.
You wanna do a little bit of friendly?
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? But that's why you go get you some money.
You should, have you heard of Shop Deck?
Huh?
Shop Deck?
What that is?
Shopdeck.com, so it has like basically some of the craziest cinematography on it, and like, you just use it as inspo. Like, so they're just frames.
Yes.
Just a lot of frames.
I gotta learn my life.
What'd you say that website was?
Shop Deck?
Shot Deck.
Y'all from London? Hold up. Where you from?
London.
Where you from London too?
California.
Yeah, I'm from India, but we live in LA.
Yeah, I can hear India. I'm from India. Yeah, got it.
He is too.
No, I'm not from the UK.
Man, I'm listening. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm very impressed.
No, I appreciate it.
I get a plate of food and I type it in and sit there.
Well, Meek Mill shared the video this week, so.
Listen, y'all don't even know. Listen, let me tell y'all something. This Memphis one y'all just did. Watch this. You gonna call me on Instagram. This gonna be your biggest one.
I hope so, bro. So I feel like the one interviews that we did Lil Migo.
Yeah, they just told me.
Oh, did tell you? Yeah.
That's what Migo, some of his people.
Oh, they who's just.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did him. We did Killer. Who else did we do? Oh, we did these guys who were hiding out in Memphis from Mississippi.
Yeah.
That was probably the wildest one we did.
Yeah.
That was. Have you got the scene on your phone?
Yeah. It's just the sort of way.
So we was in the studio